Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Quick reset for a wearable that won't turn on. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a restart. If that fails, press and hold the power and volume down buttons together for about 10 seconds. Finally, charge it for 30 minutes before trying again. These steps usually revive most unresponsive wearables fast.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.